Greetings everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today, we will learn how you can be alerted when something wrong happens on your Bubble application. Since Bubble doesn't notify you when an error occurs during task, API, or workflow usage, we have to find another way to receive alerts when it happens. To meet this need, there is NC Scale, which can be used to receive alerts whenever it's needed. NC Scale is a powerful monitoring tool used to monitor no-code tools, with deep integrations with the main no-code tools used by no-coders. And in all the features offered by NC Scale, there is an alerting feature, allowing us to set personalized alerts with ease. First, make sure that your Bubble application is connected to NC Scale. Then, click on Alerts in the sidebar. Then, click on Create Alert from Template. And select the Bubble template, Triggered if an error occurred except credentials. You will be redirected to your alert page, where you can now specify the way you want to be notified when an error occurs on your Bubble application. To do so, click on Add New Channel and select the way you prefer to be notified. Let's say that I want to be notified in my mailbox. I select Email and fill the field with my email address. I can even customize the email I will receive when an error occurs on my Bubble application if I need. Let's hit the Save button at the bottom of the page, and that is it. We will now receive customized alerts when something wrong happened on our beloved Bubble application.